or more of the same this week. Here's Elizabeth McGiffin for a first look at weather.
Thank you very much, Alex. It was indeed much chillier than what we usually see this time of the year. Taking a look now outdoors, we can see plenty of cloud cover still hanging around. That satellite and radar shows that there are still some clouds hanging out in the area, and those cloud cover will just continue on throughout the rest of the overnight. Today we saw low pressure bring in some showers, and then as we move our way on into tomorrow, we're really going to be feeling the effects of the cold front that followed that low pressure, bringing in some much chillier weather for the start of your work week. But then we do see a bit of a warm up as we wrap up that work week. I'll have more on that coming up. First though, Alex, back over to you at the news desk.
Well, Elizabeth, it's not really the case around here. It's really cold, but no snow.
Exactly. We managed to swap up. We had a bit of rain last night. The cold temperatures are coming in tonight, so just barely missed that snow. But hey, we're going to see a bit of a warm up as we work our way through the work week.
I can deal with that.
So a nice trade-off. I'm going to have more on that though coming up. First, here's a look at your almanac. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are a bit on the chilly side comparatively. Reached a high 42, low 26, and picked up 2/100ths of an inch from last night and those early morning sprinkles. Right now, though, chilly out there as well. 21 degrees, dew points at 9, humidity 59%. Barometer shows that pressure staying steady at 30.08 and winds strong out of the north-northwest at 16 miles per hour. Temperatures across the state looking pretty chilly as well. Down in Rolla, though, holding on to one of the warmer spots, 36 degrees. Here's a look at that satellite and radar. Most of that shower activity, in terms of snowfall at least, is staying well off to our north. Those showers that we saw overnight have continued to dissipate as they've pushed their way off toward the east. Now for us, here's a look a little closer at that satellite and radar. Seeing a few clouds sticking around throughout, and then right behind it is going to be plenty of clear sky. Now, those sprinkles that we saw were associated with a cold front that continued to bring along that 2/100ths of an inch of rainfall. And then the main concern for us was a change in winds from the north, pumping in that chilly, chilly air. And then as we work our way through that work week, high pressure comes into the picture, which is going to help clear out those skies and gradually warm up those temperatures. For tomorrow, though, we're looking at that strong northerly breeze pumping in that chilly and dry Canadian air. So despite high pressure bringing in some sunny skies, we are going to be feeling very chilly out there. Here's a look at that real feel. So when you're walking outside, you are going to be seeing some double-digit temperatures, but it is going to be feeling like it is single digits, and in some cases, especially in the morning, we could be looking at wind chill values that are sub-zero down to -5 degrees, thanks to that strong northerly wind. Throughout the work week, though, we're going to see high pressure continue to work its way into the Gulf, bringing along some sunshine. High pressure, of course, rotating in that clockwise motion, switching up the winds from the south, so bringing in some much warmer and more comfortable temperatures. Overnight, we're going to be on the chilly side, reaching a low temperature of 11 degrees. We'll have clouds sticking around and sub-zero wind chills. Once again, wind chill values down to -5 degrees out there, so make sure you're bundled up. On into tomorrow, though, we're going to warm up to the freezing point, 32 degrees, so staying on the chilly side despite that mostly sunny sky. Throughout the work week, though, we have sunshine sticking around throughout the picture, which is going to help to warm us up into the 50s by the end of the week. We're looking at, by Thursday, seeing 50 degrees, Friday 53, and then it looks like we're going to have another chance for some rainfall. Might even see some thunderstorms out there, but once again, looking like we're going to be staying warm enough that should be just staying in a rainfall form.
That rainfall looks pretty good. We're still in this drought right now. Do you know if it did happen, about how much that could bring?
You know, right now it's looking like it won't be probably more than about 1/10 of an inch to start off, and maybe even 1/4 of an inch. So we'll be tracking it here in the Weather Center, though.
I understand we're about 10 inches down, but every little bit helps.
Exactly.
All right, thanks a lot. Well, Elizabeth, I guess everybody's going to be digging out all kinds of sweaters here pretty, I don't know if they haven't already, right?
Exactly. You're going to need more than just an ugly Christmas sweater for tonight, because we are going to be bringing in some wind chill values, sub-zero, looking at -5 degrees around sunrise. Overnight, though, reaching that low temperature of 11 out there. Tomorrow only warming up to the freezing point, so it is going to continue to be very chilly out there. But on the bright side, we're going to be bringing in some sunshine for your work week, as well as warming up for the 50s.
All right, thanks a lot, Elizabeth.